This is the TrueMan by BOLA, the ultimate training machine for high-performance cricketers. Its LED screen provides a bowler body shape animation synchronized with the delivery of the ball, ensuring pre-delivery trigger movements are true to life. Using a web browser-based control compatible on most Wi-Fi enabled devices, the TrueMan is programmable with 30 ball sequences and comes with 10 different animation options as standard. It's incredibly easy to set for line, length, swing and pace. It's also fully programmable, so if you want to recreate specific styles of bowler, you can. The brightness of these animations is completely adjustable, rendering the TrueMan suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The real difference of the TrueMan is the visual animation that it gives you. I was somebody in my career that really struggled with my triggers, my movement and my rhythm at the crease. The beauty about the TrueMan is that you've got a visual and animation on the machine that allows you to get your timing of your movements, which is so important. I was somebody that struggled to left arm seamers, so today on the machine we're going to see how I got on and the things that I did to help me, especially leading up to the 2015 World Cup. Mitchell Starc, Mitchell Johnson, two of the best left armers in the world's ever seen. I used a TrueMan a lot to work on that before the World Cup, so we'll see how I got on today. It's all about timing, rhythm and tempo at the crease. With the visual cue, you can make your movements at the right time. Oi! Right, here we go, Ryan side bottom. Look-alike, shall we say. Somebody I always struggled to face, not on that occasion. Still got it. Next innings. So that's the TrueMan. For more coaching tips on all the BOLA products, subscribe and like our social media pages.